installing Linux Air Combat version 9.48. This is part 2 in our series from the 4th of October 2023. We downloaded the AppImage in the prior version, and now I want to point out that we're running on a PC Linux OS Linux desktop. Different Linuxes might look slightly different, and there may be minor differences in the way we do this job, but this method works for me. And of course, there are always many different ways to do each of these jobs. So I'm just going to show you what works for me today on my PC Linux OS desktop, and you can make minor adjustments to your particular desktop when you do this. I'm going to, now in my downloads folder, I've downloaded the AppImage. I'm going to open a terminal here by right-clicking and open terminal. So now I'm looking at a terminal, at a bash shell into my downloads directory, and if I do a long listing with ls-l, I can see that AppImage I just downloaded is right here. I normally store all my app images in this folder named AppImages, so I'm going to move it there. The easy way to do that is to go back to my graphical user interface and just drag it over here into AppImages, so I'm going to do that. And then in that folder, I can see that's this one right here, the latest version of Linux Air Combat version 9.48. And I want to make it executable, so I'm going to right-click on that downloaded AppImage. It's in here with all the other AppImages I already had before. So right-click, we're going to go to Properties, under Permissions. I'm going to click here under Is Executable and mark it OK. That makes that executable. Now returning to my terminal, I can see that's gone. It's not. This is not here anymore. It's done in the AppImage, so I'm going to change directly to the AppImages. Got a long listing here, and I should see it here this time. And there's a whole bunch of AppImages here, but the one I'm interested in, the one we just downloaded, is this one. So I want to execute that. The easy way to do that is to copy it, copy that name, come down here, I'm going to type / and paste that name back in. And when I hit enter, if everything worked right, it should start up. There it is, Linux Air Combat version 9.48. Downloaded, and it's just that easy to download and run it from a command line. Now, there are other ways to do this, and there are ways we can avoid using the command line. But here we are applying it. So this completes part 2 of this series. Thank you.
Red 9.
Exiting out.
Authority to proceed.
So we'll now continue this series with part 3.